Wiley, how come you say yeehaw? You like wearing that hat? Yeehaw! Ride 'em, cowboy. Howdy, partner. You ready to go to the pool? We go swimming at the pool?
Yeah!
Does that sound like fun? Are you gonna jump? What are you doing? Jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Big. Big jump. No, not so much. Can you say, hi, Papa? Why not? What can you say? What do you want to say? We're going to go to Scott's house. Go swimming in the swimming pool. Yeehaw, cabarito. You going to go ride horsies? Maybe.
White horses. White horses. White horses. White horses.
You think so?
White horses. White horses.
Oh, okay, so you're ready to go then, huh?
Shoes on.
You gonna put on your flip-flops? That's the wrong foot, honey. Other foot. We going bye-byes?
Shoes, Mom.
I know, I need my shoes on. My flip-flops are over here. I'll get them on.
Shoes.
Okay,
Shoes.
those are Daddy's shoes. Leave them here. Wiley Quinn, leave Daddy's shoes be. Where are we going? Where are we going? I forgot. Wiley, where are we going?
Mommy, her glasses. Mom. Here, Mom.
Can you put them on for me? Put them on. Let me see you in my glasses. Turn around. Let me see. Oh, there she is.
Come, Mommy.
Come on. Okay. All right, let's go bye-bye. Wave bye-bye to the camera.
Bye, Grandma.
Say hi, Peppa.
Bye, Peppa.
Love you.